Dear all, for a person born in the zodiac sign of the Taurus as the ascendant, in his horoscope, if the Lord of the 10th house, the Saturn, if he is in the 4th house, the person would do a business aided by the government, a business by a bank loan, but he would do a well-known business, well-versed business, and do it exceedingly and achieve greatness in his business.